morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheryl Villaroman, President and CEO of Nephila Web Technology Inc, a Moodle Premium Partner in the Philippines. My topic is all about how Nephila Web Solutions help in solving problems of the world through the Moodle Learning Management System. My agenda is to first discuss Moodle as an open source learning management system. Second is explain how Nephila Web Solutions help in solving problems of the world through Moodle Learning Management System. Third is explain what Moodle sets apart. And fourth, why choose Nephila Web as your partner in Moodle. Moodle stands for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. It is the world's most widely used open-source learning management system. Moodle was founded by Martin Duguiamas in August 2002. Last August 2022 is the 20th birthday of Moodle. Martin is a computer scientist and an educator. He was able to build Moodle as his dissertation when he was taking his doctorate degree at Curtin University. He lives in Perth, Australia, which is one of the most isolated islands in the world. During his younger years, he uses a small plane to send his homework and projects to his teacher, and his teacher did the same to give feedbacks and comments for his works and submissions. At early years, Martin had experienced distance education. This became his inspiration to build Moodle. Now, Moodle is the most widely used learning management system that is used in distance learning, full online learning, and blended learning. Currently, there are about 346 million users of Moodle worldwide and still counting. And during the pandemic in year 2019 to 2020, there was a recorded of 200 million educational resources that was created on the Moodle LMS sites worldwide. Let's take a deeper look at the Moodle statistics at stats.moodle.org. In the screen, you can see that there are 172,000 sites that has been developed, and there are 43 million courses with 346 registered users worldwide, 1,977,000,000 enrollments, and 734 million forum posts. And there are also 377 million educational resources that were created in the Moodle sites. And there are about 7,398,000,000 quiz questions that have been created in 244 countries. And here is the top 10 from 244 countries by registrations. In top 1 is the United States, which has about 13,376 registered sites, followed by Spain with 12,742 sites, then Germany, Mexico, Brazil, France, Indonesia, Russian Federation, India, and Colombia. Let's take a look at the registered sites by size. For users 0 to 1,000, there are about 144 and 176 registered sites. For 1,000 to 10,000 users, there are 19,085 registered sites. And if you'll take a look at the bottom of this page, for more than 1 million users, there are 14 sites worldwide that was registered. These statistics only show how dynamic, flexible, and robust is the Moodle LMS. Moodle is used in K-12 schools, higher education, and workplaces. In the Philippines, it is used by the Department of Health, the University of the Philippines System, UPOU, PUP, the Department of Education, the TESDA online program, the OST Pag-asa, and many other institutions and organizations nationwide. In abroad, it is being used by organizations like the United Nations, the Monash University, the Open University in the United Kingdom, the World Vision, and the World Health Organization. Moodle's mission is empowering educators to improve our world. In May 29, 2017, Martin Duguillamas, the founder of Moodle, had his reaffirmation on the Moodle's mission, which is empowering educators to improve our world. He said on his statement, fundamentally, our project is based on an idealistic view. We believe absolutely that truly open source projects such as Moodle supporting our education systems are the best way to distribute innovation globally and help educators create a better educated and more connected human population on this planet of ours, while protecting fundamental human rights as well as local language and culture. Moodle is built around an instructional ideal or educational philosophy makes it pretty exceptional. Moodle is driven by a social constructionist pedagogy as inspired by educational theorists like Vygotsky, Papert, and others. What is social constructionist pedagogy? It is a view of education that relies on the belief that people can create knowledge through the process of collecting artifacts, including text, media, or others, such as projects within a social environment. We at Nephila Web, a Moodle Premium Partner from the Philippines, shares the same core values with Moodle. First is education. Education is the foundation of making the world a better place. We, our teachers, and our students all need to be always learning and looking for ways to improve how we learn. Second is respect, treating everyone with respect and sensitivity, recognizing the importance of their contributions. Team members, customers, partners, suppliers, and competitors. Integrity, employing the highest ethical standards, demonstrating honesty and fairness in every action that we take. Openness, our goals, our tools, our processes, and our results shall be open as much as is practical. Our team members are encouraged to speak openly and communicate freely, both internally and externally. Innovation, encouraging a culture of experimentation and research where entrepreneurship and prudent risk taking are encouraged, rewarded, and incorporated. Today, the world continues to experience serious problems and issues: poverty, quality education, gender inequality, health, to name a few. In year 2015, the World Economic Forum, or WEF, has emphasized these issues and led to the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. The United Nations Development Programme, or UNDP, leading the way. World leaders agreed to address the SDGs to make the world a better place in 2030. It is well understood that these problems cannot be resolved overnight by a group of people. I personally believe that each of us needs to incorporate at least one of these goals in our life mission and the things that will make a big impact to make a change in the world. Number one, business can be good at solving social problems. Example, an IT industry can solve many things, simplify and automate processes that are used to be painful to people and organizations. Example, Grab and Uber apps resolving the traffic situations in different parts of the world. Tesla is accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy with electric cars, solar panels, and integrated renewable energy solutions for homes and industries. Cisco is training 4 million people in IT skills, which help expand the opportunity to spread information technology in businesses that helps resolve serious problems. This is now what we call a shared value. According to Michael Porter, a shared value is addressing a social issue with business model. Shared value is meeting ultimately important things. It is when social value and economic value work simultaneously. Second, education can be good at solving problems. For me, not only it is clear that we can have an impact, but most effective way to make a change in the world is in the area of education. We as educators can make an impact into our students' lives. And as educators, the future of the next generation is in our hands. At Nephila Web, we are glad to be in alliance with Moodle, and we are making a public statement that we share the same vision, hopes, and advocacies for the world. Here are some of the projects that we help develop for the sustainability of learning in some of the institutions and organizations and their clients in the Philippines. First, we have the TESDA online program. TESDA became partners with Nephila on the year 2021. We helped them migrate the top program to a server infrastructure that we designed that would be able to smoothly accommodate around 1 million users at that time and thousands of concurrent users, accessing all at the same time. As of this time, we have around 3 million registered users. The migration and upgrading to the latest Moodle version was a success after multiple testing phases. Next is the Philippine Science High School. The PSHS has 16 campuses in the Philippines. At the height of the pandemic in year 2020, PSHS decided to implement an online program called Knowledge Hub or the K Hub with the use of the Moodle LMS to be able to deliver learning contents to their students at the safety of their homes. Next is the Philippine Obstetrical and Gynecological Society or POGS. The RISE 2021 was conducted using the Moodle Learning Management System and Safe Exam Browser or SEB, with the Nephila team providing technical support and facilitation during the mock schedules and the actual RISE. This is a high-stake examination that has 1,108 concurrent users taking the exams. And another one is the Central Bicol State University or CBISWA. The Central Bicol State University of Agriculture has 4 campuses across the Bicol region, and they have one Moodle LMS platform. The CBISWA VLP or Virtual Learning Portal has a total of 23,601 registered users concurrently. The platform was previously hosted on their own servers and they were the one who maintains and manages it. Due to some issues experienced by their users and admins, they have decided to consult with Nephila Web and move to migrate their BLP to our cloud server. And we have another one, the Norwegian Training Center or NTC. It is the preferred maritime and offshore simulator training partner of the global shipping community. It is the first maritime training center in the world to be certified by De Norse Veritas. On the year 2020, NTC moved to create their courses on an online learning platform and they have chosen Moodle LMS and as Nephila Web as their provider. And then the Philippine Competition Commission, or the PCC, has been pursuing different advocacy and capacity building programs to raise awareness of the Philippine Competition Act, or the PCA, and improve enforcement of the legislation. Last July 2021, PCC became partners with Nephila to establish their on-demand online learning platform named ICLP, Online Learning Hub on Competition Law and Policy. What Moodle sets apart? First is that you have better access to innovation. Moodle ensures you have a better access to innovations. Every now and then, Moodle has updates on its software for new features and functionalities, bug fixes, improvements on user interfaces aligned with the updated standards on the web and the apps. Not to mention the hundreds of developers and the thousands of community members around the world who are contributing to the development and improvement of Moodle. No vendor lock-in. Once you've downloaded Moodle and installed it, or you may have asked a Moodle partner to install it for you, the full ownership of the software is totally yours. That includes the content that you have uploaded or created inside the software, such as your own course. If you subscribe for a proprietary software, the cost of the software would add up to your cost, and once you've ended your subscription, you will then realize that you have no access anymore to your courses. It is long term. The solution that Moodle provides is long term. Every now and then, Moodle updates its roadmaps for future developments and improvement. Extensive customization. Sky is the limit when you talk about customization in Moodle being an open source software. Since Moodle source code is open, you or your institution can customize it based on your own preferences. You just need to be technologically capable as you will go through programming. You may ask a developer to do it for you, or you may call a Moodle partner like us at Nephila Web to do the programming and customization in accordance to the standards of the Moodle headquarters. It has less bugs. It's a high quality software. It has greater security and easier to audit. Why choose Nephila Web as your partner? First is that we have a local support in the Philippines for Moodle. Second, we are passionate, competent, and technologically capable of providing Moodle services for you or your institutions like the Moodle LMS hosting, training, support, consultancy, Moodle application solutions, Moodle educator certification, integration, and other services for Moodle. We are a premium certified services provider of Moodle, and in 2021, we received an award for the Moodle mobile application. Third is we have excellent customer support. We have an excellent semi-annual customer satisfaction survey result, which can be found on our website at nephilaweb.com.ph. And Nephila Web is gearing towards the ISO 27001. Nephila Web is in the process of becoming ISO 27001 certified company. It is a standard for information security management system. It is designed to help organizations meet the growing demand for more excellent data protection and security. And the Nephila Web is gearing toward implementing this certification. Thank you very much for your time. And if you have any questions, please feel free to type your questions at the chat box, or you may raise your hand and ask questions. Please don't forget to follow us at Nephila Web on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You may also visit us at nephilaweb.com.ph. Thank you.